We're back with another video. We're doing a mid-fade with a shag in the back. We're going to start off by picking out the hair and make sure we get it all picked out, get it set up, checking for cowlicks and abrasions. With my gold FX, we're going to start our first initial guideline. I'm starting off with this guideline at the top of his eyebrow so we can get it all the way symmetrical and all the way around his head. We're going to leave a shag in the back. Okay, I handed him the mirror right here because I wanted to make sure I got the shag the way he wanted it. So we went over it. Now you see me going over it and making sure I get exactly what he's looking for. And sometimes you got to do that. You got to make sure you get it, the consultation correctly. You don't want to just go in and do what you think is good. They might not want what you want. Now, right now, I'm not going to worry about doing it making the shag too perfect. We'll go ahead and do that at the end of the cut. We're going to start off with the 1.5 guard close. We're going to knock everything down to the desired length. I like to call this prep work, just getting everything down to the desired length. He came in with a small afro, so this transformation is going to come out real clean, real nice. So right now I'm just knocking everything down so I can go ahead and get ready to start putting in my guidelines and start setting it up for the kill shot. If you haven't already done it, go ahead and subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, or let me know how you like the haircut. With my magic clips, we're going to go up with the lever open about 1 inch and make our first initial guideline. Now we have the lever closed. We're going to start nudging at this bottom line, knocking it out. We're not going to go up too high. We're going to keep it nice and low so we can just go ahead and just knock this bottom line out. By the time I go halfway, that should be just enough to get this guideline out, and we start on our next guideline.
shit, we got the punch from the.
Now we're halfway. This should go ahead and finish out the guideline. We got the one guard open, and we're going to go ahead and set up this second initial guideline. We're going to go ahead and get it as clean as possible. He has really thick hair, so we're going to go over it multiple times to get it all to the desired length. Now we got the half guard and we're all the way open with it. We're going to go ahead and use this feathering motion that we use and go ahead and just soften up this line so we can do the down fading system. We're going to start with all the way open and we're going to go halfway and then we're going to close it as we go down in the fade. So right now we're halfway. We're not going to go up as high as we did on the previous step. We're just going to keep it right in the middle. So now we have the lever all the way closed. We're dropping down lower into the fade. Just soften it up. So I didn't like the length that he had on this, so I took it down to a 1 with the grain, just to lay the hair down a little bit more. The afro kind of left the hair a little bit long and fluffy. I wanted to really lay it down, so I took a 1 and went with the grain. Now I got the 1.5 closed, and we're going to just go ahead and blend that into the 1 on top. Going back to my previous step because it was a little bit dark on top, so I go ahead and got the 1 open, and we're going to go down as we get lower into the fade. I just wanted to blend the top into the sides. So now we're halfway. Just continue just making everything nice and clean and getting it nice and neat. Alright, on this side we're going to do the same exact steps. I'm going to do a little bit less talking, but I want you guys to pay attention to the steps I use. They're the same exact steps. It just sped up so the video will not be so long. But go ahead and check these steps out. You can go ahead and share this video. The drawing is still open. Details are in my previous video, the video that's right before this one.
Oh shit, we got the punch from the.
We will be doing a drawing on the 31st of January, picking a winner for the $100 gift card. So go ahead and check out my previous video if you haven't already done it to see the details. I used a new producer on this video, so I'm gonna leave his Instagram in the description if you want to check him out and see what kind of beats he got. With the blue effects, we're gonna go ahead and start the lineup. Go straight across, corner to corner, taking my time. Got the razor in, got about a 45-degree angle, taking everything back off the line to clean it up and make it real clean. We're gonna go back and hit it one more time with the blue FX just to make sure we got it as crisp as possible so we can go for a clean shot at the end. I think you guys would be really impressed with this haircut. I think I was really in my bag on this haircut for the transformation. Alright, now we got a before shot just to remind you. Bam, now that's real clean. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already done it, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. I am that boy Blade, and I am out.